Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log into your Weiss Crypto account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar, type in weissratings.com and click on enter. Now you will need to verify that you are human. Just simply click on this box and then you will be directed to official homepage of Weiss Crypto. At the top right corner of the screen, you can see a sign-in link. Click on it. Then you will need to type in a valid email address on this box here. You can also subscribe for news and updates by clicking on this button. Or if you do not want to subscribe for notifications, you can click on letter button here. Now type in your information. After that, check this box. You can also save your information by clicking on this box here. If you have forgotten your password, click on forget password link and follow the procedures to recover it. Now click on sign in button to log into your Weiss Crypto account. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.